In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 best trading platforms in Canada. Hey, what's going on? It's Chris here from Wealth Awesome. So if you're looking to invest in Canada, of course you want to pay the lowest fees possible. So if that's the case, you have to find the best discount broker in Canada, also known as online trading platforms. They are by far the cheapest way to invest, edging out both traditional banks and robo-advisors. But not all discount brokers are created equal. I spent several months researching all the major Canadian ones, and I went in depth into all the features with full-length reviews for 10 different trading platforms. And from that, I've narrowed the list and I've come up with my own rankings of the 3 best ones. So make sure you stick around until after the list is finished, and I'll go over how to build your own portfolio using a trading platform, plus how I came up with the rankings. Also, if you get lost or want to learn more about this topic, you can check out the written article about this video on my website, wealthawesome.com. I've included a link in the description. So my number 1 pick for the best trading platform in Canada is Questrade. I give it a score of 4.8 out of 5. The fees are great. It's free to buy ETFs, and stock trades range from between $4.95 to $9.95 to buy. And the platform's also available on desktop and both iOS and Android. It uses research tools such as market intelligence, intraday trading, and IPO Center, and it's very secure and provides 2-factor authentication. So Questrade is my pick for the best overall trading platform and discount broker in Canada. The company has competitive fees, fantastic customer research tools, and a variety of trading platforms suited for beginner to pros. I've personally been using Questrade for almost a decade now and have had nothing but great experiences with the company. The reports are easy to understand and ETF purchases are free. The Questrade Dividend Reinvestment Plan, otherwise known as a DRIP, which automatically reinvests all my dividends, is very easy to set up and saves me a lot of time. Questrade is also good for trading US stocks because you only need to pay the foreign exchange conversion fees once, and there are no fees for opening a US dollar account. There's something for everyone with Questrade. If you trade more frequently, you could purchase more advanced trading packages that come with better research tools and a cheaper per trade rate. So going over the pros, it's free ETF purchases, which is ideal for passive investors. Only $1,000 minimum investment needed. There's market research by Morningstar available. And US stock trading has no annual or quarterly fees. It's also easy to use the platform and has great customer service. The cons are there is an inactivity fee quarterly if under $1,000 is invested. The mobile app has low ratings on both iOS and Android. I haven't used it, but it doesn't have very good ratings. And there are ECN and foreign exchange trade fees on certain trades. So in summary, you should use Questrade if you are either a beginner or advanced trader, need a robust desktop app, and want to trade either Canada or US stocks and ETFs. My readers and a lot of people I've spoken to, they're either beginners or advanced traders, and a lot of them I know use Questrade. If you're interested, you can get $50 in free stock trades at Questrade in the description below. My number 2 pick is Interactive Brokers, which is the best choice for advanced traders. I give it a score of 4.5 out of 5. How the fees work is it's tiered pricing and there's quite hefty inactivity fees. The platform is available also on desktop and mobile, and the research tools are advanced tools with Morningstar data. So Interactive Brokers Canada is my advanced trader pick. It has the cheapest trades for high volume traders. If you're looking to dabble in options and looking for the best options trading platform in Canada, the company has by far the lowest fees for options. And if you're a day or swing trader looking to trade large quantities, Interactive Brokers has the best day trading platform in Canada with the most robust tools, but beware because it is also one of the most complicated. For the Forex traders out there, Interactive Brokers also has the best Forex trading platform in Canada, and the foreign currency exchange rates are very low. There are a whole bunch of inactivity fees though for smaller accounts, so have a large amount to invest before signing up with Interactive Brokers. Beginners and those with less than a certain amount, say around $100,000 to invest, I would steer clear, but for seasoned veterans, Interactive Brokers is probably your best choice for a trading platform. So going over all the pros, it has advanced trading features, very low foreign currency conversion fees, best for international traders and high volume traders, and it has trader education packages for professional traders. And the cons though, there are A few cons: it's a complicated process to open an account. It has high inactivity fees on the Pro complex desktop trading platform, and the customer service response is not always ideal. It's not very good for beginners. So in summary, you should use interactive brokers if you have over $100,000 to invest, are a frequent or advanced trader, or want to trade international stocks outside of North America. But you shouldn't use interactive brokers if you have a small amount to invest or you're a beginner investor. My number 3 pick is Wealthsimple Trade, which is the best mobile trading platform. I give the Wealth Awesome score of 4.4 out of 5. The fees are the best. It has commission-free ETF and stock trades for Canadian stocks, and I'll get into that more later. Be careful when you trade US stocks with this though. The platform is available only on iOS and Android, and there are no research tools. So Wealthsimple Trade is the answer to the Robinhood app in the United States, which is a mobile app that gives investors access to commission-free stock and ETF trades. It's the best mobile platform in Canada, in my opinion, and is suitable for a specific type of investor. All Canadian stock and ETFs are completely commission-free to trade on Wealthsimple Trade, which is the first company in Canada to offer such a deal. I would have given Wealthsimple Trade a higher score, but there's actually 2 big factors that I feel are a bit negative for the trading platform. And the first one is that it's not good for trading US stocks. This is because for every single trade you do for a US stock, you'll be hit with a 1.5% currency conversion fee. Compare that to Questrade, where the currency conversion fee only happens once, and you can hold the US dollars in a separate account. With Wealthsimple Trade, it happens on every single trade, so it can eat into your return by quite a lot. If you're following a passive buy and hold strategy of a portfolio of ETFs and stocks, or all-in-one ETF portfolios, it will be completely free to make the transactions on Wealthsimple Trade, provided that they all are Canadian transactions. If you're sticking only to Canadian stocks and ETFs, and don't mind trading on a mobile app, Wealthsimple Trade is actually the best trading platform for you, and I would actually put it number 1 for you. So the pros, I'll go over quickly again. Commission-free trades on both buy and sell side, first of its kind in Canada. And for Canadian stocks and ETFs, all the trades are free. Very simple and easy to sign up. It's extremely easy to use, and it looks fantastic. The cons are, it can't buy bonds, international equities, or GICs, and there are steep currency fees if you frequently trade US stocks or ETFs. There's also no RESP, RRIF, and liras that aren't available on a platform. Plus, it's only available on mobile apps and not on desktop. So in summary, use Wealthsimple Trade if you only want to buy and sell ETFs or stocks traded with Canadian dollars, and you don't mind using a mobile platform, but don't use it if you want to trade US or international stocks and ETFs very frequently, or any advanced trades like options. You definitely want to look for a desktop app, which Wealthsimple doesn't provide. So if you want to sign up, there's a special $10 cash bonus sign up for Wealth Awesome viewers. You can check it out in the description below. So there's some important considerations in choosing the best discount broker. I want to be crystal clear on this one point. Discount brokers are not allowed to give you advice on your investments. And it's called do-it-yourself investing for a reason. You have to do your own research and construct your own investment portfolio. You'll also have to learn how to handle the ups and downs of the market on your own. So in case you're wondering how I chose these 3 top trading platforms, I looked at a few key things. The first thing I looked at was fees. Since the name of the game is discount, having low fees is one of the most important factors in choosing a discount broker. Overpriced fees can add up to a lot over time, especially if you are a high volume trader. You should also keep in mind account fees and inactivity fees, plus foreign exchange fees. The second thing I looked at was the platform. No matter how cheap a discount broker is, you must make sure that the reporting features are easy to understand and that the platform is easy to use, and there are minimal technical errors. Does the trading platform have the account types you're looking for, and are there minimum requirements for each account? For example, the TFSA, RRSP, and RESP. Another factor I looked at was the US and international stock ease of trading. If you're planning to trade outside of Canada, make sure you check out the foreign exchange fees and if international trading is available, plus if US dollar accounts are available. A few other things I looked at: research tools and security. A big factor for me is, does the login have 2-factor authentication? And is it covered by insurance in a case of bankruptcy, which all my top 3 picks do. Plus the software availability. Do you prefer trading on desktop or mobile? Make sure you check out the reviews for the iOS and Android apps then. And the last thing I looked at was customer service. The support you receive is essential, as you might run into some problems when using the platform. So now that you chose a discount broker, how do you construct an ETF portfolio? So with the discount broker, there's a couple ways you can do it, but here's a quick summary of how you can do it. The very easy way to do it is you can just purchase a single all-in-one ETF portfolio that's suited to your risk tolerance and investment goals. For example, there is Vanguard's VGRO or VBAL, and you can check out my videos on those 2 ETFs, and that's it. You don't have to rebalance or worry about buying multiple ETFs, and the MERs will be around 0.2 to 0.25% only. The second way you can make an ETF portfolio is the harder way, but it's still pretty easy. You can purchase multiple ETFs, which will usually be a mix of equity and bond funds. For example, if you have $10,000 to invest and you want to make a similar ETF portfolio to BGRO, which is an 80% equity to 20% fixed income split, you could buy something like maybe like a 40% US equity fund, 20% Canadian equity fund, 10% international equity fund, and then 20% of your investment can go into a bond fund. And the benefit of this approach is that it will be cheaper, with MERs of around 0.07 to 0.15%. But there is downside in this. You'll have to rebalance the portfolio periodically, so it's slightly more time consuming than the all-in-one solution. In either approach, my number 1 choice is still Questrade, as it has free ETF purchases and a full desktop trading platform. So after my extensive research, Questrade gets the crown as the best discount broker and trading platform in Canada. Personally, I've looked over the past 8 years at changing my investments from Questrade, but haven't made the switch because it's such a fantastic overall platform. If I were to one day start trading heavily again, I would probably switch over to Interactive Brokers. If I were to buy and hold only Canadian stocks and ETFs, Wealthsimple Trade probably would be my number 1 choice. But for now, Questrade is the best option for my personal situation. Do your research and find out what's the best option for you. Alright, so since you made it this far, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be putting out content every week, so make sure you don't miss out and subscribe. Also be sure to check out the blog wealthawesome.com. It's one of Canada's leading personal finance blogs, and I have an article written about this topic, but instead of the top 3, I go into the top 6. So make sure you check it out, and as always, thanks for listening.